welcome back to another video of Captain Fishy. Today we're going to be working on the new rescue boat to save people's lives out here. Last episode we were saving my old rescue boat, and now we're going to be looking at new rescue boats to build. So I just been playing creative mode before this. I forgot to get boats loaded up in the game. Yeah. Happens to the best of us when you accidentally realize you've got boats stolen when you leave the game. A bit of a time. It's not that annoying. It's just annoying when you come back and you go like, what the hell? What boat's this? I've had this inside my workbench before. Had it before. Or you just come back to games that's auto saved and you've just left it alone. And it's auto saved now. There's a big container ship. Two of those. Yeah, that looks really nice. I like this house shape. Look at that. Now we need room for a cabin and anything else. So work out how long it is. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's a big deck space. If I wanted to. So you work it out by going 3 blocks with a normal arch window, and go 3 more after that, and then go probably 1 more after that, and that's your room. So I've got probably 3 deck space, so I could probably shrink it down if I chose to take out one of the 2 pillars, make it 2 away. There we go. That looks a little nicer. That's sweet. So now I'll just trim that up. This one's going to be designed by the stern drives like the old Lucifer. To me they're just more easier. They look nicer too to build. Now with this, I'm thinking we go a sharp, very sharp 4 down. No, go 2 2s down, that turns into a big 4. Thinking there. 2 2s, and then from there comes a 4. So it becomes a look at that, that works perfectly. So now look, we just add yeah, just add those 2 in. There we go. That should be perfect match, and they should both turn up together. This is mostly going to be like a big boat, enough to be able to like earn us money by, because you earn a lot of your money by towing boats, towing big ships. So this thing will be big, big boy, big boat, big engine too, probably big modular engine in there. So she goes fast, and that's big powerful engines in there. Oh, that looks really nice. Should look very cool. I can test on how it looks in real life. So what you do is you just do that. Patch up every hole in her. Spawn her in and see what she looks like from afar. Look at that. She's not stable, but she needs more buoyancy, but she looks pretty good. Look at that. She looks pretty good, relatively good for a boat. Easy. We'll extend the back out by a ton to cabin wise. I'm thinking not too big cabin, but like a middly sized cabin, I say. Thinking two maybe of those, two of those. Okay. Boom. And then from there, we should be able to maybe. No, we can't. Oh wait, yes we can. We just design that to go there, that to go there. Design these two right here. We should be able to design this ship. Oh yes, it will work in my favor. Add that there, and then you get one of these bits here, one of these big boys, there, and you put that on there, and that makes it a 2. You can also just make it a 1, but 1 to me is just boring. Found that out years ago. Yeah, look at that. That should give a good shape to it. Alright, so now we just shape the hull now. So let's design that it comes in. Shape the hull, and then we can start working out cabin, deck, weight, stabilizers, all of that crap. Nope, that ain't gonna work. Unless I could try it. That's been more complicated, this ship. This ship's been more complicated than what I thought. A boat. Yeah. We might need it differently. One sec. Okay, so I'm thinking what we do is I think we just add 2 more wombats, and that can be our thing that goes like along the side here. And I'm thinking that's it. We don't need too deep of a hull. Easy enough they can fit an engine in it. And then inside the cabin, we just keep it steady. Yep. Yeah, I think so. I just need that brick, yeah. Good. Right there. We go. Look at that. Yeah. Move that forward by a ton. I'm thinking we'll just use the whole. Try to use the whole length of the somewhat workbench, but maybe not full length, somewhat full bench of the okay. So I'm thinking we cut off probably 5 blocks at the end. 5 blocks of the end. Done. If not, I could shrink the how down a bit more. I mean, I might do actually. It's more like this part. Oh, no, don't wanna. Might shrink that just down. So, all we need to do is you cut that center off, and you grab this here with the drag tool. Bring it along, bring it down. Move and cut. Move. Yep, and then add that in there. Same thing on the other side. So move and cut. Move up. Move forward by a block. Boom. And you just merge those to give off the how, and there you go. You got a really nice house shape. So I'm thinking cabin design, pretty nice. We also need a dartboard on this thing, so we delete one more block and design the back side. Oh well, first we design what the area. We don't want a big square box because we just float like a big square box in the water. There we go. So you can also design that in the back. So stern drives. We go 1 or 2 stern drives. 1 or 2 stern drives. I'm thinking we can go 2 stern drives. I think that should look nice. Double stern drive. So we'll save this as the video. And I gotta get the stern drives off a thing. Stern drives come up by a special creator. Shout out to this guy who made it. Find what they're called. I don't know, the engines or something. The engines. Yeah. C-Star. Whoever made this is shout out to you. And I can't even load it up. He made the engines and the stern drive systems. He also made these big things, big outboards. They're really cool, big powerful things. I got them on a couple of my boats. If I grab my cowboy, I'll just do the stern drive off of them. Okay. Because I can, and once I've done this, I think that'll be video over for today because we've already spent a few hours working on this. The next episode we'll be working on everything else. Maybe cut, load, saved. No, video, here we go. Look at that. Ooh, I think it'd look actually a little bit nicer. Okay, we have to bring it in a bit. I think it'd look a little nicer if we design it so the stern drives sit inside the boat. I just think it'd look kind of cool. I'm thinking. Kind of cool. Stern drive inside the boat. On the outside. On the inside of the boat. 2 blocks in. Should be good. Look at that. Oh wait. Needs to be 3. So sorry, top part. On the bottom part. Sits on the bottom, so I wanted to set probably the lowest point on here, so because it gets more depth in the water, which will help with the pitch too on the boat in rough weather. So I'm thinking 2 blocks in. 1, 2, 3. And then we just make this normal. And then we can get that. Put that. Change the width, put the widgets in there. Oh, did I just decide the button on accident? There we go. Double stern drive system in this baby. It's a meaning for the propeller on the back. Really nice. Save that. Exit the workbench. Thank you for watching and like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Let's see if this thing works. You guys can keep watching for like a couple more minutes when I see if this works. But wow, I saw the trailer. Nice. Alright. Thank you for watching, everybody. And ready to see episode 6. I can't remember. Next episode, when the boat's cabin and engine system gets set up, and we can start doing some rescues with it.